145 has worked closely with several Canadian PGME programs over the last few years, transitioning many of their residency training programs to competency-based, to both their satisfaction and success. 145 CBME features offer a way for programs to establish their customized EPA list, connect an EPA assessment form, and make the right forms available on demand, as you can see here. Residents, students, and faculty can easily generate an assessment form from any mobile device to complete on demand. Learners, programs, and competence committee members have access to view competency reporting that show learner progression. I'll take you through a few of these reports now. The Competency EPA Summary Report provides an overview of how a learner is progressing for each EPA or competency. You can select the academic year or years. I'll select the previous year to present, include different assessments from the stages of training, and view the report. Here you can see for EPA 1, we have the number of times the learner is assessed at the different stages on the Likert scale. We also have the visual of their trajectory summary over time. And finally, the narrative feedback, including the comments from each assessment form and faculty. The EPA Achievement Report displays the progress of each EPA based on its defined assessment plan by the program. Here we can see the customized criteria set by the program, collect 2 observations of achievement, and then how the learner is progressing towards each set criteria. The Epa Detail Report displays for each EPA a summary of all the questions. You can determine which overall scores you'd like to review, include the assessments from a particular stage of training, and finally select the EPAs you'd like to define. Here the report shows all of the details for each EPA one by one in a vertical visual. For EPA 1.1, we can see the milestones, the answers overall to each question, whether they're in progress or achieved, and if I keep scrolling, the additional EPAs. The EPA Status Report displays a count of how many EPAs are required, pending completion, completed, and how many of those EPAs meet the minimum score for achievement that's been set by the program. Finally, the Competence Committee also has the ability to complete a competency review from the program view of 145. Here you can record the history of updates for any learner in the program. You'll see easily what stage of training they're at, and be able to update their status in the program, as well as add specified actions depending on the status. You can see as I change the different statuses here, the actions evolve. Programs can indicate feedback, what meeting date the feedback was recorded at, and save for future reference.